Hello, this is Victor at HistoriaMercedes.com. Quick video for repair shop in Ohio. SL500 throttle body rewired, and going to do the bench test. It's been on the bench overnight. It's pretty warm. As you can see, the temperature here over 100. All right. So the cold unit comparison 77 and 113 on this one. So you can tell that it's been working for quite a long time. Activation is excellent. Motion on the lever is really nice, light, no binding. I had to adjust it slightly. Underneath, this is how it cleaned off. This cleaned off extremely well. So it appears that it's a low mileage vehicle or so, because look at this, it's just beautiful. Although it came from a 94 model vehicle. As you can see, stamp 93, 8th month of 1993. So yeah, this car is definitely a nice vehicle because throttle is so clean, and that's without harsh cleaning. All right, take a look at our readings and I'm gonna call it a day. It's ready to go. Idle 0.4 to 0.6 is where we want to be, so this one is 0.45, within the range. 4.25, that's the idle. So when I open throttle slightly, we're gonna have our readings change, voltages follow, and micro switches switch over. Wide open throttle, 0.64, 435, micro switches remain. Wide open throttle. This controller allows me to do wide open throttle. Not all controllers will allow you to do so. Most of them on the V8 cars will let throttle open only this much. When you start driving, yes, but on idle, engine off, ignition on, that's basically the limit of opening, which is normal. Go back to idle, micro switches switch back on, back over, voltages come back to where they're supposed to be. Alright, so this is basically all for me. Throttle is ready to go.